We have a couple of other things to discuss. The this screw right here, and you can get these in different sizes too, I think. This is your pilot jet air screw, and I don't know if you can see that, but right in that hole right there, you can see the end of the you can see the part of the screw. What this does is, I know you can't see it, but there's a little tiny hole. I wish the light were better. Come on, this battery says it's going bad. What this does is gives you so much air for the idle. And the way you do this is you turn this all the way in. Usually turn it out 2 to 2.5 turns. Some you turn it in 2.5 turns. It does the same thing. It just opens this little tiny valve to let air in. This part right here, this is your choke, which is right here. What the choke does, when you pull it up, this is your choke, you pull this up right here. This battery's going dead. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, damn it. Anyway, this part goes up and it fits right in here, and it is a valve that allows air to go right through here, right underneath this copper thing, right through the Oco deal, over here, and it lets it come out in that hole, which this part goes into the motor. So it gives you extra air and gas when you're starting your bike. And then of course when it warms up, you turn this off because you're over enriching the carb. So this battery is kind of not doing well. This camera is like about 1 million years old, and I've had it for years. I've made enough money to get the finest digital camera in the world, and I haven't done it, and the battery pack's going dead. So anyway, I'm gonna put this together and put this on the charger, and we'll keep going and keep talking. But remember, we learn by doing. Take a carburetor apart. It doesn't matter if it's a 28 millimeter Oco or a 33 or a 30 or a 26 or 24 or your standard 14 millimeter. They all do the same thing basically. Okay.